Let's get you all the key headline stocks that you should be keeping on your radar this morning. Megha joins in once again to give us a heads up. Megha, Tata Global Beverages, that one was higher by close to 4% yesterday, and you've got more news for us today as well on this.
Indeed, Megha, a lot of news has been flowing on for this counter in the last 1 month there now. The new development is that the company's JV with PepsiCo is there, and they're looking at, foraying into the food segment in the second phase of this JV. Interesting development for Tata Global Beverages. Remember, a couple of days back, they had announced setting up coffee shops in India with Starbucks there. Look at the stock has gained close to 31% in the last 1 month, trading about the 7-day RSI. So look out for this one. Keep an eye on Gati. The stock was locked on upper circuit yesterday. Media reports are indicating that the company is looking at selling 25% stake to PE investors there. Some reports are also indicating that the company is looking at selling a minority stake to an Asian investor, and that deal might actually get closed by sometime next week. Look at the stock has gained close to 32.5% and has been doing well. Was, as I mentioned, locked in the upper circuit yesterday. Look at Amar Remedies, an interesting development. The board has approved raising funds via the equity route and has increased the borrowing limit to 750 crores there. The stock has done exceptionally well in the last 1 year, has given a return of whopping 82%. So it has been doing well, trading about that 14-day RSI there. Look out for PVR there. The company is planning to invest 30 crores in Eastern India for setting up theatres and multiplexes, specifically in the Tier 2 and Tier 3 towns. So, the company's focus is now to get into the Tier 2, Tier 3 segment there. Interesting development there. The stock really hasn't done much for itself, has gained close to 9% in the last 1 month, where the market has really rallied. Look out for financial tech, and MCX has finally got SEBI's nod for its IPO there. The IPO might hit the market by the end of this month. Remember, financial tech holds about 31% stake in MCX, and its stake will decline to 26% post the IPO. The stock has been doing exceptionally well, has gained close to 34% in the last 1 month. And if you look at the volumes yesterday, a clear volume breakout there. Volumes were about 3.8 times the 5-day average.